Hey guys, so today we're back for another video, and today, T-Race is Glow Race, woo! Got this off Amazon, or actually somebody else did for Christmas. If it decides to open anytime. If it decides to open. Box, T-Racers, Okay, let's get on with it. Unless it's right quick, because can't get longer than 9 minutes 59 seconds, or at least can only be 10 minutes and a few seconds. How do you open these? How do you open these again? They switched recently to doing this weird. Oh, yep, there's the pushing thingy. I like pushing thingies. They're doing on Disney Channel. Cockpit, rear, wheels, front. Okay, you start off with the front. Woo! Oh no. Wait. I'm sure that's the front. Okay. Hurry up. Hopefully I don't get an error like like Series 2. Because in Series 2, what actually happened was, I got two of the same thing, so I didn't actually have fast cap the piece. No, Magma arrived with that piece from Series 1. Cockpit. A3, you don't know what that means. Racer and wheels, okay. And we have. Oh, this is like the magician money. The magician. It is Master Illusion. Right. And our wheels. There should be a full wheel. There she is. There we are. This will probably be a two-part video. Probably. I only say that because it's taken me 2 minutes to unbox one. I'm gonna come an ASMR, it's crikey. Go on, there we are. There he is, this car. Box, yeah. It's been well on the back. They still haven't updated that image, and I don't think they will. Unlike Super T-Racers, you can get every series at the same time. Racer's not like that. Oh, X-Racer Turbo Truck. Hopefully I'll get that soon. Oh, I got part of Dr. Glow, I think. This is... No, I don't know. What part of Dr. Glow? Let's start off with that. I don't think it really says. What is it? Oh, the front. Reminds me of that Yeti one from Series 2. Okay. It's a game controller thingy. Look, okay, I don't really play games. The most I'll play is Word Trip, which is occasionally just to keep you entertained. Hey then. I'm guessing this will be caveman themed. Where do you want to go? Where do you live? There you are. Okay. Now we just need the driver and wheels. Or racer, as they called it. But yeah, I should probably call it. Don't know how this fits on caveman, but sure. Well, I know Spain have had this for a month or two, because everything comes out in Spain, other than like sometimes Super League series comes out in England first, occasionally, or they'll come out at the same time. That tends to be what happens. Sometimes England gets the cartoons first, sometimes Spain does. It just kind of switches around. There we are. Very nice. The driver's name is Hard. No, it's not Hard Waves. It is Speed Peak. Right. There we are. Okay. Quickly. Already 5 minutes in. We have to check this. Oh, another part of Dr. Glow. Yeah, I'm going. Hey look, actually I just noticed T-Rex cartoons plug on the side. What a surprise, Magic Box! You just want money. Front. I think this is part of Master Illusions or whatever it's called. Oh, we have. Okay, that is actively Dr. Glow. I'm just going to save that to last, so we've got the entire car. This is reminding me of. What's the name? No, not so. Right. The cat one from last series. There was 3. I should probably do this on camera, shouldn't I? There we are. I believe these are still in stock on Amazon, by the way. Here is Dr. Glow. Wow. The hair reminded me of X-Racer. There we are. The glow-in-the-dark wheels. Alright then, next victim of the Ziggy of the Entertainments. Wait, no, I haven't got anything for Dr. Glow in this. Chuck it all down there. Chuck that there. Cockpit. Don't know who that is. Rear. That's quite cool. What's the airspeed? Right. That's probably going to be a name of a Super Zig or T-Racer in the next series. Oh, they should have given him some Doritos and Mountain Dew Pilburys. Hold on, where's the figure one? Alright then. This is T-Racer Series 4, by the way. In case you didn't not know. Oh wait, no, this is the Master Illusions cockpit, I'm pretty sure. Someone's gonna make a niche for it. Okay, let's apply the wheels. Very similar to ones they've done before. But Magic Box are gonna do that. Let's face it. The driver's the racer, sorry, has escaped. Nude. There we are. Anyways, not videos anyway. Anyways, that will be it for the video. Bye guys. See you in part 2.